Kaney Grylls again. I want to go to bird watching and flower watching. Let's go. Hey guys, it's Kaney Grylls again. Look, I found some red corn. This is weird. We're gonna keep this. Check out this flower there. No, I need that, bud. Yeah, I need that. Guys, look at this big wall of stones. We can't get through them. They're way too thick for my stick to get through. I can only get through a couple. See? That, guys? So guys, you can see this, thorns, everything. Remember. Guys, I think I see something. Look at what I just spotted. That. Yeah. The shade side has green plants. This side has more colorful purple, white plants. Sun, shade, sun. Alright guys, this is the part that I need this to go in the water. Yes. If it can reach it, go in there. Try to attract it. I pulled in a while. Look, there was a spurt. It was like 7, 2. It was. I swear there was 7. Guys, there was like 8. Guys, it's all about 8 or 7 tadpoles. Chilling. Oh. I'm gonna text someone. All right. Snap. Take a picture of my phone. All right. Guys, look. Oh, I think it's one of them. I know. I can capture it. Oh, that was fast. We're just relaxing, waiting for it to cool down. But we may be here until sunset. Oh, I actually need the shade. It is way too hot for me to not get the shade. Oh gosh, this is the biggest hill ever. But not the biggest hill ever. It's just really, really steep hill. I couldn't even wear my makeup here. I would have to do like a wheelie. That's how much it is. I can't stand. Because I'm hot, I'm going to take a break right here in the shade. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do now. Yo. We'll do something more. I'm going to try to make a hole. It's going to do this. But I'm going to throw it. Yes? Yep.
We're over here by the swamp, by the trail.
All right. Okay.
Help us?
Yep. Yeah.
Thanks for using that.
All right, we'll be right there. We have to get the supplies in the car, and then we'll be straight there. Okay?
Okay, sounds perfect. Thank you.
That was my friend, he told us that there's an alligator in the spot. We have to go get this place in the car. Luckily, we always bring some supplies so that everything is good. We gotta go now. Gotta go now. Because those huge rabbits, we have to be very, very quiet. Put a comment, ginormous rabbit there. Please put the comment, ginormous rabbit, and put a rabbit symbol there. Alright? Put that there. Because I have all my stuff here. We gotta go now. My friend probably left because he was probably too scared of it. So we gotta take care of this quickly to make sure no one else gets hurt. Or to make sure no one gets hurt. We gotta do it now. Just start jogging there now. That was a good time to jog. Then we get there since we're closer. And it's gonna be quicker. So no one else gets. Make sure no one gets hurt. So, we're gonna do this now. Really, actually now. I'm gonna try to see where he's at. I'm gonna see if he's here. Nope. Normally, I would see them actually just relaxing, bathing here. To figure out where he's at, maybe head downstream there, or upstream down there. It definitely didn't go there. It went that way, definitely, probably. We're gonna follow that trail until where we... Guys! A massive salmon! A massive... Tape out. Get the scale taped. No. So he can't bite. So it can't bite. Can't bite. I was trying to save it. All right. I gotta get this off. Get this off. I'm gonna transfer this guy down here so he can go back in his natural habitat. So, down, get this off, and done. Yeah, ow. So I got the alligator. Whatever that is. But we got the alligator. And as soon as you get it, I'm gonna run up. Go. Ow. Alright, good. Alright. Make sure to like and subscribe. This is very dangerous.